Hello and welcome to the Liberian TV network. Today we at the Invisible Park where the Liberia National Police will be playing the Press Union of Liberia and also the Motorcycles Union. So it's a friendly match and we'll be taking you through this game. We also have the things that the motorcycle will need when they are starting off tomorrow, which is May 15th. Starting their tricycle, like going to town, for them to pave central town. They are asking for registration, license plate, insurance, 2 helmets, reflected jacket, operational lesson, shoes or slingers, 2 V mirror, and 1 rider. Or we say 1 passenger. So we'll take you on the field and we'll also talk to some of the motorcyclists and talk to the press here and talk to the police if we opposite to talk to anyone. So let's go as we go to watch this game today. Thank you for always finding Liberian TV now. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section what you make of this friendly match, because the Liberia police is actually okay. They are actually finding all the means to bring themselves and they are fighting hard trying to engage with every sector. So don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section.
This is meant to let everyone of us as we know today. The case speaks for itself. You know what today symbolizes. We ask that everyone of us be the form of patriotism to the country and unity, and then what else? So that we can be, so that reconciliation can be shown. We welcome all of you here today. You know this is intended to cement the already existing relationship, partnership with the Press Union of Liberia and the Motorcycles Union and that of the Liberia National Police. So without much to say, I just want to welcome all of you to this place. Feel free, this is supposed to and one of the best out of it for the unity of the country. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. We allocate 1 minute to each speaker. At this moment, I'm calling on the Press Union of Liberia to give a 1 minute statement.
Hello. I think we want to say thank you to everyone. We know the press union that we are going to be victorious. So let's clap for us now. Clap. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Press Union of Liberia. Next is Nanfoka. Could you come again?
The yellow boys.
The yellow boys.
Good afternoon, good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Okay, today is a friendly match, and rest assured that we're going to beat LNP. Now, we're going to beat LNP 5-0. Okay, now all 5-0 we're going to beat LNP.
Thank you. You have already defeated yourself. Okay, at this moment, we call on the Form 2. Okay, the black and orange one.
Well, we want to use this time to say thank you to the Liberia National Police and the Press Union of Liberia for organizing such a great event. As a cyclist, we can assure you that we do everything possible to maintain peace before to win and after elections in our country. As we be aware, we are all Liberians. Let us work together for common good. Today we are going to beat the PUL and we're going to carry the trophy. Thank you.
Everyone will be LNP police.
Okay,
Thank you, everyone. Since 21 minutes allotted to us, please give us your ears. Today for us is a great day. As our police spokesperson said, we all know what today symbolizes. Today being Unification Day, we thought to bring the Press Union, the motorcyclists, and the police together to have this sporting event. In our mind, this will enhance our already existing partnership. We look forward to a successful soccer tournament today, and we're going to have a big celebration there after there will be food and drinks in abundance after the march. As you are aware, tomorrow the enforcement of the restricted or the compliance zone will begin. So today is a day where we are proving to the rest of the world that the motorcyclists and the police are ready to work together to make Liberia a safer and better place. And the only person who blow our trumpet out there is the Press Union, the most important branch of the street. Thank you, everybody.
That's why we're going to win today. That's why we're going to win today.
And this is the end of this one. So will you please stand up and we'll take one official picture.
We're going to do the picture.
Please stand for the picture.
Where is the referee?
Thank you.
Referee.
Police operation.
Okay, very good.
Along with the sunshine and
This is reporter 231. How you feel beyond Liberian TV now?
It's okay, that's good. Thank you.
Okay, today y'all will be playing the Liberia National Police. What do you make of that?
We're going to score and something usual we do here.
You have normally do it
We normally do that.
with the Liberia National
We
Police.
normally score, then they know.
Okay, we are expecting to see what comes out of the game today. This is the team of the motorcycling, and we also have the motorcycling union president there, which is John. We always been seeing him. So the 4 team. These are the teams that will be playing against themselves today. The team which is this group is the Liberia National Police. We have the Liberia National Police. We have the Press Union of Liberia, and then we also have the Motorcycles Union on this side of 4 teams. And this is the trophy that they will actually be like playing for today. Liberia National Police is also, because they are the host, they are here with food, water for the team. Yeah, all things on
in action, and then the motorcycle took charge, and let's see the law will take me to tell us for his teammate. That pass connected to one of the motorcyclists, but that one might be a...
Thank you for so much for the DJ. The police is our friend. The police.
people who are here appreciating the Liberia National Police for their work being done so far. Hello and welcome to the Liberian TV network.
Oh, thank you so much.
So the police are actually been on engagement with the motorcycle and the tricycle and also the citizen. What do you make of that?
Oh, I'm so happy today to share this historical movement with the Liberia National Police and that of the Tricycle Motorcycle Union of Liberia on this date of unification. This is a day that we all should unify, come together Liberian and put together our differences. We want to say thanks to RG, Pedro Como and his team that they could bring the entire Tricycle Union of Liberia together on this day to have fun and to merry-make and to put together all of their differences. I'm happy for that.
Okay, can you say your name to my viewer, please?
I'm Emmanuel MC Clark from the Liberian Senate.
Okay, thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.